Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, you probably make calls on your iPhone every day, but did you know that your iPhone could potentially be forwarding your phone calls to a different device or sharing your personal information? Let's go through the privacy settings you need to check. So guys, first open the phone app and dial *002#, and then tap on OK button. So guys, from here you will see a list of call forwarding settings. Make sure everything is disabled. If anything is enabled, dial #002# to deactivate it. So guys, go for next one. Open settings on your device, and then you have to scroll it below and go to apps, and now scroll it below and go to phone. From here is the phone app, and now go to Siri, and from here you can enable show when calling. You can enable some features, and you can also disable some features from here whenever you are getting a call or whenever you are making calls. So guys, after this, go back, and from here scroll it below, and now you have to go to calls, and from here tap on call forwarding, and here see if it is enabled, then you have to simply turn it off. So guys, simply do this, and after this go back, and now you have to simply scroll it below, and from here you have to simply turn on the toggle for unknown callers filtering. So guys, here you can see this. You can easily turn it on to filter unknown callers for your iPhone. So I simply turn it on, and after this you can enjoy your device very smoothly. So guys, that's it for today's video. With these settings checked, you can confidently make and receive calls on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and leave a comment if you have a question. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.